Hey, Dane here, and welcome to the vlog, and this is day trading. Well, I screwed up. You saw my video yesterday where I was getting ready to start trading the stocks that I had already in my possession, and because of the fact that, again, they changed their clearinghouses, and the clearinghouses won't let you send personal checks. You've got to send money wired to them, and it's going to cost me at least $25 every time I wire anything. So that ain't going to happen. So I decided, well, I'm going to go ahead and start selling the stocks that I have, micromanaging them instead of setting them for a certain amount and then leaving them there till they reach that point, no matter how long it took, and then keep putting new money in there and buy more and more stock. That was my plan until this company went ahead and changed their plans, which wound up changing my plans. So unfortunately, yesterday when I was writing down how many stocks I had, how much I bought the stocks for, and like a ding-a-ling, I was watching the screen and I wrote down what the price was for that day. Well, when I came back through, I said, well, I'm going to increase everything 25 cents. Well, my Kodak stock, I wasn't paying attention, and I set it for 25 cents higher than that day's high. Well, the next day, lo and behold, it actually went up. It went up today, and I sold it. Yay! Right? Wrong answer. Because that day, the price for that day, starting out, was $5.10. I paid $9.39 per share. So it wasn't a too bad of a drop, but it just put me behind. Yeah, by half of what I had originally purchased it for. I wasn't paying attention. So don't do that. If you're going to do that, don't put today's, have that on a different sheet, not on the one that you're using to calculate what, you want to change. So don't do that. So anyway, lesson learned. But yeah, only I could do that. But anyway, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. I did sell another one with it because it did come up 25 cents higher than what I bought it for. So now I have that in the calc. Now with this company, you've got to wait 3 business days before you can use those funds. You just can't turn around and use the funds and use that money. You got to wait 3 business days for it to turn around and now be credited to your account. So that kind of slows you down. So Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So it'll be like Wednesday before I can start using those funds to either buy that stock back up again. Hopefully it'll drop. And then turn around, buy the stock up again. And then wait for it to go back up. And I'm doing that within, a reasonable 20 to 30 cent jump per day. And I have been monitoring those, and they do that. They do about 20 cents a day on most of them. So, but thing is, it's got to come up to where a lot of the stocks are now lower. I'm in the negative, so it's come down lower than what I purchased it for. So, if you're watching it, hopefully, you're watching your stock, and it's gonna come up within your even, and then go beyond that, and then be able to sell it. Also, this company's got like a 90-day termination if you haven't done anything with your stocks in 90 days. I think you get a nasty cram, and they saying they're going to close your account if you don't purchase something. But you know, that forced the whole new hand there when, you know, they want you to wire your money, you know, and you've already, depending on what they cost to wire it, you're already in the negative when you go to buy it. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. I'll catch you on the next day.